Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an incredible day. Today I'm coming at you guys with my time capsule for 2018. Now I'm so excited to do this video, honestly. I feel like it only happens once a year on my channel, obviously, so whenever it does come about, I get really excited for it. So it's like kind of a little tradition on my channel, and in case of you have never seen this video before, I do just want to break it down super quickly for you, and then we can actually jump into the goals and my hopes for the new year and all of that fun stuff. So let's just jump on into it. So like I was saying, if you have never seen this kind of video before, I'm just going to explain it a little bit. So this idea was created by Safira Howell on YouTube. I will link her channel below. Complete credit to her, not my idea at all, but I think it was 2014 going into 2015, if I'm not mistaken. That is when I started this series, inspired by her, obviously. Once again, full credit to her. But I really like the idea, and ever since then I have kept it up on my channel. So basically what this idea is on the 1st of January in 2018, I will be releasing this video, the one that you're watching right now, and it's a little teaser video. So the more you watch it, you'll realize I'm not actually telling you guys my goals, because I'm cutting out a majority of this video and just producing this like teaser, trailer, whatever you want to call it. But then in 1 year from today, so on January 1st, 2019, the goals will be released, and then you'll be like, oh my god, Brooke did hit this number, or oh my god, Brooke is doing that with her life. Wow, that's so cool. She thought that she would, and she is. Crazy. So that kind of stuff. It's really cool, really interesting, and if you were watching this on the 1st of January 2018, which is just a few days from when I'm filming this right now, then you would have already seen my goals go live from this past year, 2017. So I always post the reveal at midnight, and then I post the teaser video for the next coming year around like 1 p.m. Eastern time. So just to kind of let you guys know where I'm coming from, what all that means. And if you don't understand, I get it, it's kind of confusing to explain. I try to do this justice every year by explaining it, and every year I watch this and editing and I'm like, this makes no sense. So I will just leave the playlists, I think is actually up here. I think. I'll leave them up here somewhere so then you guys can see and go through, watch all the videos and be like, oh, so this is what the teaser will be and this is what the reveal will be like, so it makes more sense. So with all that said, let's jump into my goals for 2018. Oh my god, this is Brooke from the future. I forgot to mention something that I want to mention in the intro. Okay, pretty much, just so you guys know, I won't be watching the video that I set to be live in a year from today. So I'm not going to be watching it, and you guys obviously can't see it yet, so then a year later we're both gonna be like, oh my god, because I forget what my goals are. You guys never even knew what my goals were from the past year, so all of that stuff, it's really exciting for when it goes live, for both of us to be excited and freaking out and like, oh my god, this did happen, or this didn't happen yet, but it will, or something like that. So just so you guys know, I don't know what my goals are. After I post this video, I never watch it, and I have a bad memory, so I do forget a lot of them. So just so you are aware, I don't watch it until a year from when I post it, so wanted to throw that out there. But okay, back to me filming now and you guys for the intro. Alright, first of all, I think I say this in every teaser video out there I've ever done, but I think a big goal I do have for 2018 is pretty much, if you have been following me for any amount of time, I mention this a lot. In not every video, that's excessive, but in a lot of my videos, that's my goal in life. I think this is my time to shine. It's gonna happen for me. I'm very excited about it, as you can tell. I think kind of going into the new year, it's inevitable. Obviously, I grow up physically, but also like emotionally, mentally, I hit like a new like, oh my god, like huge realization moment. Life just teaches you so much, and I'm blown away by it constantly. Every year, I set a subscriber goal. And some years, I think I have hit it, but I think there have been a few videos as well that I haven't reached that goal. But as you're making videos and stuff, that crosses your mind and you're like, that would be so cool, like that'd be dope. And you kind of almost like hope for it. Not that I don't want it that bad. Once again, I just feel like when it's organic, it'll happen if it happens. But pretty much, if you are understanding me, thank you so much, because it's hard to understand myself sometimes. Another goal I have for the upcoming year is that I'm not too sure, like it's very up in the air right now. I haven't done too much research into it and all this stuff. Something that I kind of have in the back of my mind that I don't think is going to happen in this coming year, but I want to start at least thinking about in this coming year is I really just like want to think about it and kind of see. I guess I just need to follow that up and see where it goes, and all that stuff. I just kind of want to do it as it feels right for me, and I definitely think that's possible for sure, but I'm excited to see like what that necessarily means in the future. I've never been that kind of person that is just like, ugh, I want a relationship. Like, I've always been, if it's right, I want a relationship. I feel like I've realized that life is just gonna happen, and you can do a lot to try to control life, and then also you can try so hard, but you're never gonna control some things about life. So I'm definitely just like, whatever happens, happens. I've said that so many times in this video, I swear, but it's so true. Like, I'm just gonna go wherever life takes me, and I'm gonna be happy wherever life takes me, most likely. And if I don't want to go in a direction life's taking me, I'm not gonna go there. What a crazy concept. Those are pretty much my goals, my dreams, I don't know what accent that was. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That would mean a lot to me. Also, comment down below if you want to on this teaser video what your hopes and dreams are. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you to pieces. Please be sure to subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and all that jazz. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Let me love you till you feel alright.